What a wonderful day! Good morning, garbage truck!
Oh my God.
Garbage truck.
Let's collect all the trash along the road.
Nice! Wow! Okay.
Huh? Careful, garbage truck! Oh, the trash falls onto the road. Taxi sees the trash and stops quickly. Little car can't stop in time and bumps into the taxi. Police car rushes over from the other side. It helps taxi and little car move out of the way. Then calls the construction rescue team for help.
Wow!
Mixer truck.
Street sweeper.
Fire truck.
Let's go!
Woo! The construction team is on the way.
Come here! Okay.
Street sweeper cleans up all the trash.
Who is next?
Cement mixer repairs the road.
Wow, it's a nice slide. Wow. Okay.
Fire truck washes away all the stains.
I like it. It's here. It's amazing.
The road is clean, smooth, and safe again.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. See you next time. Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.